Have a nice day, everyone, especially grade 6 learners. Okay, I made this video lesson just for you, especially those who are struggling learners and also those pupils who are not able to understand the lesson given by the teachers. Okay, let's start our lesson for today. Okay, so the skills for today is subtracting simple fractions. So, ari siya ta sa dissimilar ha. Okay, so as you can see, there are two examples the same. So, ako ning gituyo kay aron do na may kapilian. The first strategy akong gamiton is katong gitawag og traditional method. So, katong naanda nato nga kita gamay pa nag-eskwela pa sa elementary. The second one is katong butterfly method. Okay, so in the first example, so we have to use this by finding first the LCD. Okay, so the LCD of 8 and 3 is 24. So 24. So duha ni siya ka 24 kay ato man ni siyang usbon into a similar fraction. So by finding the LCD, it is a prerequisite skills of grade 6 na siya klase siguro na sa grade 5 o grade 4. So then we have now the LCD, least common denominator. So 24, first is divide this one. So 24 divided by 8 equals 3. 3 times 7 equals 21. The second one is 24 divided by 3. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. 8 times 1 times 1 sa babaw, then equals 8. So 21 minus 8 equals 13. So 13 over 24. So be sure that your answer, or final answer, is in lowest term. Kung maridos pa, so find the common divisor of the two numbers. Okay, let's go to the using the butterfly method. So in butterfly method, you have to cross multiply. So cross multiply 7 times 3. So, cross multiply ta, mao nitong nahon 7 times 3. 7 times 3 equals 21. Then, second is 8 times 1. So, 8 times 1 equals 8. So, minus sign atong gibalhin diri. Then, over. So, ato ni siyang i-multiply ra ang 8 times 3. So, 8 times 3 equals 24. So, 21 minus 8 is 13. Copy the denominator 24. So, as you can see, sa babaw 13 over 24, then sa ubos po 13 over 24. So, para nako, the best method in these skills, or the best strategy in these skills is the butterfly method. Okay, ako ni siyang gigamit during the contest. Kung na-contest na mga math quiz or math challenge. So, this strategy is the best. So, practice lang yun. Practice lang yun ang atong mga bata. Then, tagaan yun na ito sila panahon.